Good day and Assalamualaikum. My name is Mio Hazrul Hakim bin Mio Harman, metric number 84477. Today I'll be presenting my final year project entitled SmartClinic, a mobile clinic management system. This project is supervised by Madam Nurhazuni binti Borhan and examined by Madam Chiu Hong Chan. The focus of this project is on the small-sized private clinic in Malaysia, particularly clinics that still rely heavily on manual or semi-digital systems, which affect their efficiency and service quality. In this presentation, I'll explain the background of the project, the problem statement, objectives, scope, methodology, system design, prototype, preliminary results, limitations, and finally the conclusions. Is clinic management application developed to address operational inefficiencies faced by small private clinics in Malaysia. Based on observations and literature review, many small clinics still use handwritten patient records, walk-in appointment systems, and paper-based billing. Although these methods are familiar, they are time-consuming, error-prone, and inefficient. While digital clinic systems already exist, most of them are web-based and too expensive, designed for large hospitals, and are complex to use. As a result, small clinics struggle to adopt this system due to budget constraints, limited technical skills, and unsuitable features. SmartClinic is proposed as a simple, affordable, and mobile solution integrating patient registration, appointment rescheduling, medical record management, digital billing, and reporting. The main goal is to reduce administrative workload, minimize error, shorten waiting times, and improve patient satisfaction. Small clinics in Malaysia face inefficient management due to paper-based, semi-digital system or a weak web-based system that are not interconnected. This causes long waiting times, misplaced medical records, billing and prescription errors, high administrative workload. Most existing systems are too complex or costly, resulting in a lack of affordable, tailored solution for small clinics. The objectives of this project are: first, to design a user-friendly clinic management system that integrates core clinic operations and remain affordable. Second, to develop features such as online booking, appointment reminders, automated scheduling, AI chatbot support, and prescription management. Third, to evaluate system effectiveness through usability testing and user satisfaction. The scope of SmartClinic focuses specifically on small-sized private clinics. The system supports three main user groups. First one is clinic staff. They manage patient registration, appointment scheduling, billing, payments, and report generation. They can also monitor clinic finances and generate summaries. Next is doctors. Doctors use the system to view patient medical history, record consultation notes, and manage prescriptions. The system also supports assisted prescription error detection, which improves patient safety. And lastly, patients. Patients can book appointments online, manage their schedules, view the digital prescriptions, receive reminders, and make secure online payments using QR Do It Now and Touch and Go e-wallet. Now we're moving on to comparison of features. In this slide, I compare my clinic applications, Appointic, Clinic EOPD, and Clinicia against my proposed system SmartClinic. So yes, these existing systems are mobile-based or have mobile support, but the key difference is what they cover and how suitable they are for small clinics. In terms of core functions, most apps can handle patient registration and appointment scheduling. However, when we look deeper into full clinic operations, such as medical records, billing, reporting, and patient portal features, the coverage becomes inconsistent across systems. This is why SmartClinic is proposed to integrate all core clinic processes in one mobile system, specifically tailored for small private clinics in Malaysia. Even though the existing apps are mobile, they still have gaps. Appointic is strong in appointment booking and simple onboarding, but it is mostly limited to scheduling and does not fully support medical records, billing, or reporting. Clinic in EOPD and Clinicia are more feature-rich, but they can be too complex for small clinics, may require more training, and are not designed around local Malaysian needs. SmartClinic is designed to fill these gaps by adding automated scheduling, AI chatbot assistant, AI assisted prescription error detection, patient portal access, and most importantly, Malaysia e-payment integration like QR Do It Now and Touch and Go e-wallet. So the comparison here is not about mobile versus not mobile. It is about completeness, simplicity, affordability, and local suitability for small clinics. The methodology used for this project is the waterfall model, which is a structured and sequential software development approach. The waterfall model consists of 5 phases. First is requirement phase, which is clinic needs are analyzed through questionnaires, literature review, and system comparison. These are documented in a software requirement specification. Second one is design phases, which is requirements are translated into system architecture, diagrams, and interface design. Third is implementation phase. The system is developed using React Native, Django, and Microsoft SQL Server with unit testing on each module. Fourth is testing phase, where the system undergoes unit, alpha, beta, and acceptance testing. And lastly, deployment and maintenance phase. The system is delivered, maintained, and improved based on feedback. Waterfall is chosen because it provides clear documentation, structured planning, and controlled development, which is ideal for a clinic system app. Before designing SmartClinic, a pre-questionnaire was conducted among potential users. The results showed that many patients experience long waiting times, manual systems are still widely used, and also appointment scheduling is inefficient. These findings helped identify real user pain points and guided the system requirements and feature selection. Now we're moving on to project prototype. So this slide shows the SmartClinic prototype. I want to clarify that the screens displayed are low fidelity wireframes because at this stage the system is not the final result. It is still a prototype. So the purpose of low fidelity wireframe is to focus on the screen structure and layout, the navigation flow between pages, and whether the features match the requirements for each user role. So for SmartClinic, the prototype starts from the welcome screen, then user goes to the role selection page where they choose whether they are patient, doctor, or clinic staff. After selecting a role, the user proceeds to the login page. This is important because each role will enter the system and see a different dashboard and different functions based on role permission. So this prototype is mainly to validate the workflow and usability first before moving to high fidelity UI design. Next, I'll explain the patient flow using prototype wireframe. First, the patient opens the app and sees the welcome screen. Then the patient goes to the role selection page and select patients. After that, the patient is directed to the login page. If the patient is a new user, they go to the patient registration, create an account, and then log in. Once logged in, the patient enters the patient dashboard. And from the dashboard, the patient can confirm key tasks such as book appointment, where they can choose doctor, date, and available time slot. Second is view appointment and reminder schedule, where they can check upcoming appointments and reminders with their doctors. And third is view prescription, where they can access digital prescription provided by the doctor. Bill and payment, where patient can view bill details and make payment using supported payment methods. And lastly, it is receipt. After payment is successful, the system displays the payment receipt. Overall, the patient flow is designed to reduce waiting time and improve convenience, especially by enabling online booking, reminders, and cashless payment. Next, we will continue on doctor flow and clinic staff flow. First, for the doctor flow, the doctor enters the system through the same processes from the welcome screen and goes to the role selection and select doctor, and after that, we'll go to the login page. So after successful login, the doctor is directed to the doctor's dashboard, where the doctor can first is view daily appointment schedule, second, select a patient for consultation, thirdly, enter consultation notes into the consultation and medical record interface, and finally generate digital prescription through the prescription management interface. This supports accurate record keeping and improves consultation workflow. And lastly, for clinic staff flow, the entry flow is also the same as doctor and also patient. Starting from the welcome screen and select role selection as clinic staff, then go to the login page. So after login, staff go to the clinic staff dashboard where they can view and manage the appointment list. Second is can generate bills using a bill and payment interface. Thirdly, can track payment status from the patient. And fourth is generate operational reports through the report generation interface. So the key idea is all users start the same way, but after the role selection and login, the system shows different dashboards and functions based on the user role. Now moving on to preliminary results. This slide presents the preliminary result obtained from the questionnaire conducted before system development. The purpose of this questionnaire was to understand current clinic management issues and user expectations from a mobile clinic management system. Based on the results, most respondents indicate that they experience long waiting time at clinics, inefficient appointments, rescheduling, manual or semi-digital record handling, and also difficulties in tracking appointments and prescription. A high percentage of respondents also expressed interest in features such as online appointment booking, automated appointment reminders, and also digital medical records and prescriptions. These results support the need for SmartClinic and confirm that the proposed features are aligned with the real problem faced by patients and clinic staff. Although SmartClinic provides many benefits, there are several limitations in this project. First, the system is developed as an Android-only application, which limits access for iOS users. Second, SmartClinic depends on stable internet connectivity for real-time data synchronization, online booking, notifications, and payment processing. This may affect usage in areas with poor internet coverage. Third, the system does not include advanced integrations such as laboratory system, radiology service, or insurance platforms. This decision was made because the project focused on small private clinic operations. Lastly, the reporting and analytics features are basic, limited to operational summaries, and do not include advanced data analytics or predictive features. These limitations can be addressed as future enhancement. In conclusion, small private clinics in Malaysia continue to face challenges due to manual and outdated clinic management system. This system leads to problems such as long waiting times, misplaced records, billing errors, and increased staff workload. SmartClinic is proposed as a simple, affordable, and mobile-based solution tailored specifically for small clinics. The system integrates key clinic functions including patient registration, appointment management, medical records, digital prescriptions, billing and payment, and also reporting. The use of the waterfall methodology ensures the structure and systematic development process. Overall, the system design and requirements analysis indicate that SmartClinic has strong potential to improve clinic efficiency, reduce administrative workload, and enhance patient satisfaction. This slide lists the references used throughout the project. These include academic journals related to clinic management system and software development methodologies, existing clinic management applications, and official resources such as Personal Data Protection Act (PDPA) Malaysia. These references support the project's methodology selection, system design decision, and data security consideration.